it's impossible to gain knowledge. So here is an experienced person who was diagnosed COVID-19 positive. That is Brother Viswasam, first year theology student of Vidyadeep College. He belongs to the congregation of Montfort Brothers of St. Gabriel. He is a kind-hearted person and very sociable with everyone. We know how he would have felt when he was told that he is corona positive. So here comes Brother Viswasam to share with us his experience of being affected by COVID-19.
Dear brothers and sisters, good morning to all of you. All others in the panel today are sharing with you their learning from working with COVID-19 affected persons or taking care of them in many ways. My sharing is going to be about how I handle myself as a COVID-19 positive person and the experience I have gone through those days. I tested positive for COVID-19 on 7th October 2020. My first question when I was tested positive was asked to myself, how did this happen to me despite the precaution and care I had taken? In the beginning, I had a body pain, cold, and fever. Then I was admitted in the hospital. I was diagnosed positive. When I heard that I was tested positive, I got upset and depressed. I do not know why and this how I felt. But I consoled and strengthened myself that it was not so serious disease, though the world outside had created all kinds of stories, myths, and fears about this pandemic. I always developed a positive attitude and lived with a positive approach to life. I underwent good treatment in Philomena's hospital and isolated myself. My strong willpower and encouragement from my brothers, relatives, and friends enabled me to go through this situation calmly. Then the disease slowly disappeared from me and got well quickly. I suffered more emotionally and psychologically than physically during those days. It was more from the condition that I was unable to go out and live a normal life. And it was so painful for me to undergo the COVID-19 as really it shattered my confidence. I was thrown in lonely situation where I experienced inner darkness and fear. No one was beside me to give support. Nobody was ready to come and talk to me. Or rather, no one was allowed to come near me and talk to me. I felt like an outcast. As I came out of the COVID-19 ward every day, the people nearby used to look at me as if I was a dangerous person or untouchable, etc. All this made me feel to sometimes whether I was alive or not, because I could feel the love of anybody. The brothers from the Vidyadeep College used to phone me up now and then and encourage me. The thought of being isolated and separated physically from others worried me and made me angry. What gave me courage and consolation was my dependence, the providence of God. I began to look up to God and pray. I trusted in God who never fails me. That made me to recover soon from the COVID-19. I was lucky to have good brothers who took care of me after my return to this community. The brothers and sisters did not isolate me or look at me as it had to be avoided. All this experience made me think about how ordinary people, especially the poor, the marginalized, would have felt when they were affected with COVID-19. I felt for them. How many people lost the near and dear ones? Many of them could not even see the face of their beloved ones before the funeral or burial. The disease was cruel, more emotionally and psychologically than physically, according to me. Thank you very much for your attention. I especially thank the organizer for giving me this chance to share my experience. Thank you.
We feel one with you, Brother Viswasam. Your sharing has made us to realize how the COVID-19 patient suffers. Really, your sharing has moved our hearts. Thank you for taking courage to share your